Yo yo yo! To my first ever video on YouTube. Introduction, I guess. Then hey, my name is Sorad, and I make funny skits. But now I'm posting an educational video on how to draw heads from every angle. Well, let me not bore you with all of the detail, and let's get to the video, I guess. And to let you guys know, this is a very beginner-friendly video. Don't expect me to do some wacky shit stuff that is complicated. And if the audio is bad, because I'm recording in my car. Well, not in my... Hey, you get it. Then let's start. Then, to start things off, this is a circle. It's the basic shape that human heads have. Well, it's called simplification, and a lot of artists use this simplification to simplify a lot of things, like the human body. Then moving on. Well, to make this more easy, we have a reference on the side. Then add a line in the middle. This line will act as the center of the face, like you can see in the reference. I've made a red line on it to act as the middle of the face, and this is very important in knowing where the middle of the face is going, as you can see here in the photos. Then, of course, we add two lines that signal where the eye will be placed. The top of the line is the top of the eyes, and the bottom, well, the bottom of the eyes. Simple enough. And if you want to do extra, you can add a oval shape in the middle to symbolize the gap between both eyes. Of course, I am a pro, and I don't really need these. Then, for the sides, you can actually go with, a very thin circle to act as, the size of your face. Then, following the reference, you can make his sharp chin with a wobble line, like the reference, connecting it to the bottom of the end, to the bottom of the middle line. See, it's important, right? Right. And of course, we'll do an eye tutorial special for you. Then, you can simplify the eye by, sharp and those, big ass eye. And other than that, I'm too lazy to put it in. You can just follow the reference from here and out. And wow. Then for the mouth and the nose placement, easy enough. Hey, just use a small circle like these as scaling reference. For the nose, just use one, and the mouth, just use two. Well, just add them and remove the guideline, and finally you can see this shitty ass shit. Well, you can call this thing the loomis method, as you can see here. So and for the sides, for extras, you can add a circle and a circle, like these for the ear, and the detail just like these. And probably that's all. Wait, the hair? Oh, you didn't want him bald? Well, too bad! I'm too fucking lazy to fucking do hair. So just comment hair, please. And I do another tutorial on how the fuck do you do hair. Then I'm going out, motherfuckers. Goodbye.